DevOps is a cultural shift. It's all about a shared understanding between developers and operations. So, it has a huge impact on the overall outcome of a company. As it involves practice communicating, collaborating, and brainstorming with colleagues from other areas of the company, it helps to bring out some special cultural benefits. And we are about to showcase all those benefits in this video. Let's dive in with a short gaze to the main content. Focus on manpower. Constant experiment and learning. Faster innovations. Higher reliability. Now, let's go deeper. First of all, focus on what matters the most. That is manpower. Upbringing the inner ability of a person is the best way to improve productivity. And DevOps Cultural Insight focuses exactly on that fact. You see, when you feel a positive vibe in your workplace, that enhances your working tendency. You feel more energetic, and so do other team members. Such a collaborative environment can magically increase the productivity of humans. Right? For that reason, Microsoft, perhaps the world's largest software factory, takes DevOps very seriously. And undoubtedly, it has magical impacts on the team members. Microsoft did break down silos between teams while the journey of successful DevOps adoption. It ensures better communication among the team members, visibility, and aligning on goals. And thus build efficient manpower and better products together. Secondly, constant experiment and learning. DevOps helps to execute the constant experiment and learning. Through the rapid implementation of instant corrections and revising, it can make it happen in real life. Take PayPal as an example. PayPal has more than 200 million active accounts. It processes more than $100 billion worth of payments each quarter. Prior to PayPal's DevOps journey, it took days to create a new application, weeks to deploy it on a test server, and months to get it into production. PayPal's answer to this complexity was a new, entirely self-service system for the software development lifecycle, shortly SDLC. By implementing DevOps, this company has enrolled a great collaboration between teams. And, so far, more than 1,000 new applications have been built with PayPal's SDLC platform, which has evolved to support public clouds, Docker containers, and other features. Next, faster innovations. Your innovative team is the sword that helps you lead over your market competitors. The team innovation skill becomes faster as they can, now, deliver products faster following the DevOps mindset. As a car manufacturer company, Volkswagen has many challenges while transitioning their business to a mobility provider. Business demands have expanded, including needs from users and technology, which results in a high level of complexity. So faster innovation was the only solution for this company. And they accelerated product delivery with modern DevOps practices. Lastly, higher reliability. DevOps is the ideology that helps you align your development and operations teams. That's how the reliability of your release processes can improve. For several years, Yahoo has been ushering in a DevOps culture to serve its more than 1 billion users better. Before DevOps, employees used to express frustration over roadblocks in the way, citing familiar problems. Users also had many complaints regarding security issues. After implementing DevOps, team members finally learned to turn failures into sources of insight. And that's ensure the security measure of the user day by day. Like any big change, building a DevOps culture can be very tough. Well, we get it. But we've learned through our own experience that two ingredients are key: clarity around expectations and an environment of psychological safety. Without them, teams tend to thrash around making mistakes and, worse, not learning from them. That's all about DevOps cultural advantages. In our next video, we will be discussing what business benefits can DevOps make for the companies and organizations. So, stay tuned with us by subscribing the channel. Like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family.